I am Galloper. The son of Galloper has returned. Yep, there you go. Now you're probably pop up in Luna. Yep, there you are. You're behind us. Oh my gosh. How are we gonna... Wow. Oh my gosh. I ain't leading the way. I'll get lost. I don't know the way in here. Like, seriously. Like, where are we going? What's the purpose of us having fog? Where's Sounding? Oh, here she comes. She's coming. We're all trying to stay in here together. Oh. Whoa! Whoa! There's some over there, but I can't see. Oh my gosh, this is just... OMG, Carl would have a cow over this. I mean, like, this is scary. It's pitch black. Hang on, I'm gonna get the music in here. There we go. Okay. No, my gosh. Alright. Oh my gosh. It's the same trail, but like, seriously, this is like just haunted. Like, I mean, like, this is like this haunted madness. Wait, what's on the road? What is seriously on the road? Oh, are you talking about 11 minutes? Good, off they go. Off they go. Off they go. Wow. Wow, I just noticed this is a bone. A bone of an animal. Oh my gosh. Oh my lord. This is utterly terrifying. Oh my gosh. Okay, Carla's doing her own racing right now. Oh, it has to go. Oh my gosh, how are we going to survive? Oh my gosh.
Alright, let's keep
Now with it not being as like bright, I mean, like, to be honest, like, what in the world happened here? What kind of direction do we take? Wow. Oh my gosh! OMG, what was that? Are we gonna die? I don't even want to imagine. Well, let's call a song. Oh my gosh. Wait, there's a campfire. Look, y'all. A campfire, look. Oh, it's people. Hi, y'all. What's happening all y'all doing out here? Oh my gosh.
I guess we'll go this way.
Yes, because then the lanterns are going that way. Oh.
Oh.
Song had network error.
Everybody's having network error. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Should I really?